Ever tried talking to someone who's clearly not listening? They're glancing around, fidgeting, or checking their phone every 2 seconds. There's a simple 5-step method that can make you a better listener. It's called Egan's SOLER model, and it's used by counsellors, social workers, health professionals, and therapists. Each letter in SOLER stands for a part of active listening body language. Let's break it down. The S refers to sit squarely. This means facing the person directly, showing you're open and giving them your full attention. It doesn't mean you have to sit rigidly like a robot, just position yourself so they know you're there, present and focused. Next is O, open posture. Crossed arms, hunched shoulders or turning away can signal defensive or disinterest body language. Make sure you keep your body relaxed and open. It tells the other person, I'm listening and it's safe to talk. Don't turn away, unhunch those shoulders and don't create barriers such as crossing your legs or arms. L stands for lean in, just a little. This subtle movement shows interest and engagement. Leaning in can particularly be useful when a person is sharing with you any difficulties they are having. Of course, don't invade personal space. Just lean in enough to show you're tuned in. E stands for eye contact. Good eye contact shows respect and attention, but balance is key. Too little eye contact and you seem distracted. Too much and, well, you might scare someone. And finally, R, relax. This means being comfortable, both physically and emotionally. Don't fidget, tap your foot, play with your hair or check your watch or phone. When you're relaxed, the person you're listening to feels relaxed too, and that's when real communication happens. Together, these 5 behaviours send one big message. I'm here, I'm listening, and I care. Whether you're a counsellor, a teacher, a manager, or just a friend, mastering SOLER can completely change the way people respond to you. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content.